Welcome back to this video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add video in Canva presentation. So as you can see, I have opened a Canva presentation. So now we are going to add a video in this presentation. So I am going to add a YouTube video. On the left panel here you can see apps, just click on that. And now here you can see search Canva apps, just here search for embed. Now just click on this app. Now let's click on open. You can input video from this platform, so you can use this. Now I am gonna use YouTube, and I have already copied a video from my channel. Just paste the link. You can paste the link here and add to design. Just click on that. Now our video will be added. So now you can feed this video in your presentation. So this is how you can add video in Canva presentation. If this video helpful, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.